Welcome to the Geeksvana 2 Minute Drone News.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Geeksvana's 2 Minute Drone News, where we bring you a selection of the latest drone news in 2 minutes or less. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. Okay, let's get into it. Start the timer. The excitement surrounding the new Skydio 2.0 drone is reaching fever pitch, and looking at early testers like Baker X Derek, it does seem that the drone will match up to most of the hype. We are fans. However, there are a few points to consider before you rush into pre-ordering yours. Firstly, the battery is magnetically attached rather than through a switch. This makes me a little nervous, and only time will tell how this will work under real-world conditions. A lot of early videos have referenced Skydio as a Tesla of the drone world, due to their impressive technological advances. As an MIT company, there will be limitations to their growth and support backup. We hope that some of the issues Tesla found in scaling their operations are not repeated here. If you're purchasing the drone from outside the US and Canada, which would not be via the official Skydio site, then you're not going to get support or warranty, so buyer beware. The standard unit comes without a controller. The Parrot-made controller with Skydio software, or the Beacon, come at an extra cost. This pushes the price to compete with the DJI Pro. The craft lands on its front legs and the battery at the rear. Again, there is no suggestion that this has caused any issue, but we'll have to wait until the rough and tumble of the real world to see how this works in practice. Also, how the practical use of this drone with its autonomous flight modes will work in terms of line of sight and other drone regulations is very much open to debate. Overall, this drone looks to be a class-beating dream, especially for those photography and action footage fans who use a lot of the preset flight modes on other brands. We don't have to wait long for the first deliveries and the hands-on reviews of the trusted YouTubers out there. We're excited about it, but let's all look at the hype building around this product and try to look deeper at possible issues. Certainly, should the Skydio 2.0 be rolled out to other territories, I would be at the front of the queue. Let us know your thoughts and comments on the Skydio 2.0 in the comments below. What are your hopes and concerns? And let us know if you have any imaginative uses lined up for your Skydio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Welcome to the Geeksvana 2 Minute